Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HonorPad 8 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find security. After tapping on it, in the right section we can tap on more settings and find install apps from external sources. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the app, in my case Chrome, and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.